subtraction?
We're working on video number 4, subtracting integers. We introduced the idea of chips in the last video, and I know this looks like a really simple problem, 5 minus 2, but we're going to use it to start working on how we use the chips with subtracting integers. So remember, each black chip is worth 1. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm subtracting 2. So that means that I take 2 of them away, and I have 1, 2, 3 left. So my answer is positive 3. Three minus 4. Well, now this one's a little trickier because we only have 3 black chips, but I want to take 4 of them away. We also learned about something called a zero pair in the last video. Remember, a zero pair is a positive 1 and a negative 1 that we can add. Remember, a positive and a negative equals 0. So I'm not changing the value, but now I can take 4 away, and that leaves me with a negative 1. So in this problem, I have negative 5, so 5 red chips, minus a negative 7. So I'm trying to take 7 negatives away. Well, I don't have 7 red chips, so I use my zero pair. Now, in my zero pair, remember, it's a black and a red. I now have 6 reds that I can take away, so I need to add another zero pair. And now I can take the 7 negatives away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that leaves me with 2 positives. So positive 2. In addition to being able to use the chips, we can also use a number line. And I like using my trusty car. So my car always starts at 0, all right? And if I have a negative number, my car drives backwards. If I have a positive number, my car drives forward. So minus 5 or negative 5, I go backwards 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That takes me to negative 5. Now, minus. That minus there means do a U-turn. So my car faces backwards. Minus negative 7. Remember, negative numbers means the car goes backwards. Well, the back of the car is now over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that puts me right here, which is 0, 1, 2. So that gives me positive 2 as my answer. We can also think about this as like a test. Sometimes you're going to see on an assignment minus 5. Well, out of 100 points, if it was an 100-point assignment, I'm taking my 100 and I'm adding a negative 5 to it, which gives me 95 points. Well, if I take that 95 points and I subtract those 5 points that were taken off, it gives me back to 100, which was the original score.